This is a 2007 Buick Lucerne, and what the deal was is the rear engine mount was bad. I've seen lots of videos on the front one, but not the rear one. That bolt there on top was a 21 mil. It's the same as on the bottom. Those other ones there, there's 1, 2, and let me see if I can find this one down here. Sorry, right there. Where is it gone? That one there. They're all 15 mil. So this one here and the one on top is a 21 mil. And what I did, you can see where I put one jack here on the frame. I had another one with a hunk of wood on it, and I put it across there, jacked it up, took the weight off the motor and the engine mount, undone all the bolts, the 3 hold it to the motor, and the lower and the top, the lower 21 mil and the upper 21 mil on the other side there. Pulled it all out and replaced the engine mount, motor mount, whatever they say. As you can see, the old one was a little bit toasted. Put that on eBay, call it brand new like some people would. Anyway, just joking. As you can see, I've done some other stuff, brakes, blah 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 blah. Working in the barn today. So beautiful day here in Oklahoma. Anyway, that's it. Hope that helps. Just, you know, I put a wheel under the vehicle when I work, just in case it slips off a jack. So yeah, what else can I tell you? Really, it's about it. I mean, the engine mounts are right there. It's pretty easy to get to with the wheel off. You could probably do it with the wheel on. It might make it a little more difficult. But anyway, there's the rear or the right hand side engine mount on the motor. 2007 Buick Lucerne. I appreciate you watching. Cheers.